Yep, if you have been losing your project in FL Studio, you somehow close your FL Studio without saving your work because of your computer or whatever reason, this video is for you. I'm El Proto and this is alloneprostudio. Today I want to show you the auto save feature in FL Studio 20. So let's jump into it. You go to options, then you go to file, then you see this auto save here, backup, auto save. Now this is going to save your work. You can make it regularly every 5 minutes or frequently every 5 and before risky operations or whatever. Normally I put it at regularly every 5 minutes. No, you have occasionally every 10 minutes. Never just remind me every 10 minutes. You can put it there. I'll just leave it at regularly every 5 minutes. What will happen is it will back up my work, to back it up. So even if I leave here without saving my work, I can get it back. Now I'm going to leave this thing I'm doing for 5 minutes and I'm going to exit it. I'm just playing around here. It's 5 minutes here. That autosave is done now, so I believe the autosave should have taken effect. Let's say our computer was so happy that it went off by itself. Okay, we're going to close FL Studio 20 now. No, we don't want to save. Okay, let's open FL Studio again. In order to get the auto backed up project, you go to file, go to revert to last backup, revert to last backup. You left click it. That will bring back the project. It's opening now, and that's it. It's back. We have our project. So that's how to do your auto save and to get your auto backed up project back on FL Studio 20. Hope you've gotten a lot. If you have, let me know. If you have any question on FL Studio, I'd like to hear. Like this video if you like it. If you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. There are great videos in this channel to help you in your music production. I'm El Proto. This is alloneprostudio. That's it.
I'm the best.